Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. In this video, we'll compare HubSpot and Freshsales, two prominent CRM platforms specifically designed to assist startups in effectively managing their sales processes and customer relationships. Both platforms prioritize streamlining CRM operations, emphasizing simplicity and user-friendliness. However, each offers distinct features catering to various business needs. You can find links to both products in the description below. HubSpot is a widely recognized CRM renowned for its ease of use, making it an ideal choice for startups with limited resources or experience with CRM systems. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive feature set include lead management, sales pipeline tracking, and a complete suite of marketing automation tools. HubSpot's free plan is especially appealing to startups, offering a broad range of tools at no cost, including essential contact management and email marketing capabilities. As your business expands, HubSpot provides affordable paid plans with advanced features such as in-depth reporting, customizable workflows, and supplementary sales tools. Its seamless integration with other HubSpot services makes it a perfect solution for businesses seeking a straightforward, all-in-one platform to manage customer interactions. Freshsales, alternatively, presents another simplified CRM solution well-suited for startups, but with a more pronounced emphasis on sales automation. It furnishes tools for managing leads, contacts, and deals in a highly streamlined manner. Freshsales provides a visually appealing sales pipeline, automated activity capture, and AI-powered insights to help prioritize sales efforts, making it a compelling option for businesses aiming to enhance their sales efficiency. The platform also boasts a clean and user-friendly interface, focusing on delivering substantial value without overwhelming users with an excessive number of options. Freshsales also offers a free version equipped with basic CRM functionalities, while its paid plans unlock more sophisticated tools like sales forecasting, detailed email tracking, and advanced reporting capabilities. In summary, HubSpot is an excellent choice for startups seeking a comprehensive, all-in-one CRM solution with robust marketing automation features, while Freshsales excels with its sales-centric tools and automation capabilities. Both platforms are highly effective in simplifying CRM processes. To determine which platform best aligns with your startup's specific requirements, be sure to explore the links provided in the description below.